Hosting a gathering this holiday, create something simple and delicious for the appetizer. I'm going to show you a Boursin cheese and baked prosciutto crostini served in a small glass. That's right, let's give the classic crostini a spin. Here's a list of ingredients. Boursin cheese, baked prosciutto, roasted red peppers, French baguette, walnuts, thyme. Let's start with the baked prosciutto. It's sweet, salty, and crisp. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper and lay the prosciutto slices. Bake until the slices turn golden, 10 to 15 minutes. Let's assemble the crostini. In a small glass, layer pieces of the baguette on the bottom. Crumble some Boursin cheese on top. I love how creamy it is. The baked prosciutto comes next. It adds such a crispy texture. For the fourth layer, we want something crunchy. Nuts are great this time of the year. We picked walnuts, but pecans work well in this recipe too. We need to add something sweet to this mix. Roasted red peppers. They add so much color to any dish. Finally, top everything with more crumbled Boursin cheese and garnish with thyme. Carolina, this looks great. Let's have a taste.